be rebuilt and all the costs be paid. And so now this is what the king of Persia said to the enemies of Israel. Now Tatnai, governor of Prince Euphrates, Shether, Boznai, and all you officials, stay away from there. Stay away from Jerusalem. Stay away from the people.